For a long time, I was silent. Even when I knew some English words, I was too scared to speak. I worried about making mistakes, sounding silly, or being judged. At school, I listened but never raised my hand. I avoided speaking in class or with friends. My heart raced when someone asked me a question in English. I wished I could be confident, but I didn't know how. My silence made me feel invisible. I wanted to change, but I didn't know where to start. One day, a teacher told me, "You don't have to speak perfectly. Just start small." That idea stayed with me. I decided to try something new. Instead of waiting to speak perfectly, I promised myself I would say just one sentence every day. No matter how small. At first, it was hard. I barely spoke to my classmates or strangers. But I started with simple phrases. Hello. How are you? Or, thank you. Each day, I added one more sentence. I practiced in front of a mirror. Recorded myself. And repeated words quietly when I was alone. The change was small, but powerful. My confidence grew little by little. I stopped fearing mistakes and started focusing on progress. Fear didn't disappear overnight. Sometimes, I still felt nervous or embarrassed. But I learned to manage those feelings. When fear came, I reminded myself that everyone makes mistakes, and that speaking English was a skill I could improve. I joined a small English conversation group. It was scary at first, but the group was kind and encouraging. I felt safe to try. Fail. And try again. Every small success gave me courage. Saying a sentence. Understanding a story. Or answering a question became celebrations. After weeks of daily practice, something amazing happened. I started speaking more naturally. People listened to me. I could share my thoughts without freezing. I noticed people smiled and encouraged me. My teacher said I was improving. And friends asked me to join conversations. My silent world became louder. I felt proud and happy. The one small change. Speaking one sentence a day turned into a habit that built my confidence. If you feel silent or shy, remember, you don't need to speak perfectly right away. Start with one small change. Say one sentence today. Then one more tomorrow. Practice every day. Even if it feels hard or strange. Find friends, teachers, or groups who support you. Celebrate every step forward. Confidence grows slowly, but it grows. Your voice matters. And your English can improve. You can go from silent to confident. One small change at a time. Vocabulary highlights. Silent. Not speaking or making noise. Shy. Feeling nervous or uncomfortable around others. Perfectly. Without any mistakes. Phrase. A group of words that form a meaning. Courage. The ability to do something despite fear. Encouraging. Giving support or confidence. Naturally. In a normal and easy way. Habit. Something you do regularly. Celebrate. To feel happy about a success. Confidence. Feeling sure about yourself.